In this video, you will learn about can. This topic is a part of verbs. As learned earlier, use can to talk about something you are able to do. For example, I can speak English. To talk about something you are allowed to do. For example, you can take a lunch break. And to ask for something in a friendly way. For example, can I use your pen? Can is used to talk about things that we think are usually but not always true. For example, eating too many French fries can make you fat. In this sentence, the speaker believes if you eat too many fries, you will get fat. It may not be true for everyone. Let's take another example. Fireworks can frighten animals. Can is used to express possibilities. For example, you can take my car if you drive carefully. In this sentence, the speaker is allowing his friend to take the car only if he drives carefully and does not crash his car. Here's another example. Jay can take Nikki out if he gets her back by 8 p.m. Can't is used in questions to ask someone to stop doing something that you don't want them to do. For example, can't you stop making so much noise? In this question, the speaker is asking the children to stop making so much noise. Or, can't she be nice to her colleague? Remember not to use can to talk about a past ability. For example, I can paint as a child is incorrect. Remember, cannot is written as one word and is not split into can and not. For example, I cannot write this report is correct. I can not write this report is incorrect. Now you know how to use can.